The Igbo worldview with time is going to be giving us so many information with regards to Igbo history, Igbo culture, how Igbo people see things, and also some tips in helping us with our spoken Igbo. Today, there are three words that I'm going to bring into our notice. I'm bringing this word to our notice because of the fact that many native speakers and those that are learning Igbo language and other people that are trying to upgrade their spoken Igbo struggle with these words. They struggle with it not necessarily because they don't know how to say those words in Igbo, but it seems like saying them in English is sweeter or easier to say. And then you will hear people most times they are speaking Igbo, and then here and there they will put in so, okay, and. So the three words I'm talking about is okay and so. So how do we say these words in Igbo language? These words in most cases can serve as connectives, connecting two sentences, two words, and stuff like that. The first one, okay, ọ dị mma. It is okay, ọ dị mma. So, ya mere. So what I am saying, ya mere ihe mụ na-ekwu bụ, and na Obi and Ikenna, Obi na Ikenna, and whatever you think, na ihe ọbụla i chere. Daalụnụ, ka ọ dịnụ mgbe ọzọ. If you have any word that you are struggling to pronounce or say in Igbo language, you can also drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to help you on how to say that and incorporate it in your day-to-day spoken Igbo. Ndewo.